Hi everyone. So in this video I'll be explaining the entered and exited geofence concepts. So we have three boxes here, and in each of the box we have a find. So box 1 is having find 1, box 2 is having find 2, and box 3 is having find 3. And all these boxes will be communicating to the cloud through this coin. The coin will be picking up the data. So as you can see, this is the coin, and this coin will be sending the data to the gateway. So this setup is being tested out inside a container. So we have a gateway here. So the gateway will be receiving the data from the coin, and it will be sending this data to the cloud. This gateway is powered using a power bank, and internet is provided to this gateway through a geo dongle. So you can see the geo dongle placed. Both geo dongle as well as the gateway are powered through the power bank. Now I will be explaining you from the dashboard how do we configure the geofence, and when we will be getting the geofence, and email alerts that we will be getting for the geofence. Now the time is around 5:48 p.m. and in the dashboard you can see these three finds: box 1, box 2 and box 3. All these boxes are online because it is near the vicinity of the coin, and the coin we have placed here is this location 2 coin, so which in which currently 3 finds are there, which will be sending data through this gateway. So here geofence can be configured inside the settings. So here box 1, box 2 and box 3 are all currently online. As you can see, this is all are radius around 4 to 5 feet from location 2. So that coin that I showed you is the location 2, and the boxes are around 4 to 5 feet, and the last updated time is around 5:48:36, almost the current time, around 30 seconds it has got updated. And now I'll be taking you through the geofence settings. So there are two types of geofence settings. One is entered and another one is the exited geofence. So if I want to configure the entered geofence, I can just click on the asset. I can click on box 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I can just click on geofence as location 2, and I can configure exited geofence if I want only exited geofence, or if I want entered geofence also, I can select all 4. So it is a this button can be enabled for whatever geofence the user needs and what alert he wants, either SMS or email or both. Both of them can be enabled. So if needed, all 4 also can be enabled. And once it is enabled, you can click on submit, and once it is submitted, you will be able to see the geofence here, what all have been configured or what all are not yet configured. So here you have boxes 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5. All have been configured with both entered as well as exited geofence for SMS as well as email. So now we will be bringing in box number 4 and 5 near to this container. So as soon as we bring these 2 boxes near to the container, we will be getting an email alert, which I will be showing you in this video. So now the time is around 5:54, and currently boxes 4 and 5 are offline. As you can see from the dashboard, both are almost 4 hours ago offline. It has been offline since almost 4 hours. So now we have those 2 finds here. So now I'll show you how we are inserting the finds inside the boxes and how we are placing it inside the container. So we have 2 finds here. So this is find 4, and this is about to be used inside box 4, and this is find 5, and this is about to be used inside box 5. So now he will be inserting these 2 finds inside the boxes, and once we take these 2 finds once we take these 2 boxes inside the container, we will immediately be getting the entered geofence alert. So now he has placed all these 5 boxes inside the container, and now almost one box has come online immediately, and within another few seconds the second box. Now it is almost 5:58, around 5 minutes is the time, and all the fines have come online here. And as you can see, the last updated time is just now, around 5:50, 7:31, 5:50, 23. So almost the same, and all are around the radius 13 feet, 10 feet, 1 to 3 feet away from this coin. So from here, the coin is just here, near to this place, and the boxes are all placed here. And now all the fines are online. So now we would have got an emergency alert. So now I'll be showing you the emergency alert. So we have a few messages. So we have the latest 2 messages are box 4 entered geofence and box 5 entered geofence. So both are around 0 to 1 minute ago. So now these are the alerts for entered geofence. Similarly, once we take out those boxes, we will be getting exited geofence alert. Now the time is around 6:09, and now you can see all the fines have currently sent data. All times are around 18:09 only, just a few seconds ago. And as of now, all the 5 boxes are online. So now we will be removing 2 boxes out of these. Boxes 4 and 5 we will be removing. And once we remove, since the coin is there, it will not be able to detect it, and immediately it will go offline. So now he's removing those 2 boxes out of the vicinity. So the current time is around 6:10. So by 6:15 the fines will go offline, and once it goes offline, we will also get email alert stating that boxes 4 and 5 has exited geofence, which I'll be showing you in this video. Now the time is around 6:15, and as you can see from the dashboard, both the fines have gone offline. Box 4 also has gone offline, box 5 has also gone offline, and still box 1, 2 and 3 are still online. You can see it from here. And now I'll also be showing you the alert now. So as you can see from here, now we have got this box 5 exited geofence. So it's around 6:13, around 2 minutes before we have received box 5 has exited geofence alert. So similarly, we will also be getting box 4 exited geofence alert in another 1 or 2 minutes. Now the time is around 6:17, and still these 2 are still offline, boxes 4 and 5, and it has been more than 2 minutes now from the time that 4 has gone offline. So now we have received a new message. So as you can see, we have also received box 4 exited geofence at around 6:17. So this is how entered and exited geofence works.